Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Some tech to help save on precious kitchen counter space. LifeSmart is out with a 10-in-1 air grill countertop cooking appliance that serves as an oven, toaster, dehydrator, air fryer, broiler, rotisserie, and more. With touch controls and a remarkably small footprint. The interface is intuitive and the performance impressive. LifeSmart spokesman Jon Florell.
The outside of the grill is stainless steel, but also the inside is stainless steel. Double wall design to hold the heat in. You can literally feel the outside of the machine when it's on. There is no heat on the outside. It's cool to the touch.
Very smart, safe, and versatile. It ships with a unique bamboo grill grate as well. There's more info at lifesmartproducts.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.